Igoti ikaru niriathite kamite ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini irute king'ang'a-ini fomu cia 34A, B na C iria ciahuthikire githurano-ini gia tariki 26. Ona kuri uguo ihoya ria mambikite ciira ria kuheo regista nirierekeire kuringa ihiga thutha wao kuremwo ni gwetha kigina gia ciringi millioni inana iria irendekana gucabithia regista ĩyo. Kurumirira riathani riri ria igoti ikaru riu mwena uria wambikite ciira igoti-ini ukwamura andu 7 undu umwe na mwena wa president uria utongoretio ni wakiri Fred Ngatia uikia ndurumeni fomu icio mbere ya macoketie riboti yao igoti-ini muthi wa rucio.
Opolo Kelo is also stepped outside.
Magikia ihoya ria kwenda guikia ndurumeni fomu icio mawakiri a Halifa na Jonjo Mue matongoretio ni Harun Dubi moigire marenda kuonia igoti maumirira ma githurano fomu-ini icio ni macenjirio. Ona kuri uguo ni moimirwo rutha rwa kurora server cia IEBC.
Asking the second and third petitioners to pay 80 million shillings in advance is difficult to understand the basis. Very, very difficult to understand the basis, but we see this as a hurdle, or rather measure of difficulty we are being put into so that we do not realize the objective of the order that the court made.
Mwena-ini wao mawakiri mauria wari mubunge wa Kilome Harun Mwau neo Benjamin Musyoki na Makouma nimoigire uhotani wa President Uhuru Kenyatta wagiriire ni gukanjwo tondu ndamurirwo kuhuranira giturwa kiu ta uria watho ugite.
While knowing that nominations and qualifications for nominations were imperative, and while admitting openly in court that they were imperative, he goes ahead and then participate in the said elections. He would be required to take an oath under the third schedule, which oath would require him to swear an affirmation that he will obey, he will protect, he will defend, and he will preserve the constitution and the law as established.
No magitetera IEBC wakiri Waweru Gatonye na Kamau Karori ni moigire gutiare na bata wa kwamura ringi aria maruagirira giturwa gia president tondu ni mamuritwo hindi ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana. Oho Karori ni ateteire IEBC ni undu wa gutiria githurano kaunti-ini 4 cia Nyanza akiuga mahuthirire watho gutiria githurano ni kuhaguka kwa ugitiri. Oho neugire Raila Odinga ndarumirire watho kuyeheria githurano-ini tondu ndekirire kirore fomu ya 24A.
The High Court did decide that all the candidates that participated in the 8th of August election were entitled to participate in the fresh presidential election. And so, my lord, the scenario envisaged by that candidate where there would only be 2 candidates was removed immediately the judgment of the High Court was rendered. So that the argument that the withdrawal then meant that the consequence would be that there would be a new election and so on did not exist. Why? Because that scenario covered under the Raila 2013 decision had been removed by the decision of Justice Mativo.
I have a feeling that you've been too cruel to my application.
Hau kafere, igoti niriteanirie ihoya ria Stephen Owoko na Caleb Wamaya ria kwenda gwitikirio kunyita itemi ciira-ini ucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.